Hi, welcome to my channel. In fact, this is my first video, hopefully the first of many. Hopefully you'll like it enough. I'm happily sitting in the first project car that I'll be revealing on this, which is a Mazda MX5 ND model. It's I bought it with less than 500 miles on the clock, category N. Yeah, not a lot of damage. We'll go through that. We'll go through getting it on the road. I've got a few more projects lined up, so hopefully there'll be plenty of content coming out. But a little bit about me first. I'm not a mechanic. I don't repair cars for a living. I've worked with computers. I have done for a very long time. The experience I do have was my dad's a mechanic. He had his own place a long time ago when I was a teenager. I did a bit of work during the summer holidays. That's how I learned how to do this stuff. I think about it. What's the second biggest outlay you're going to make apart from buying a house? It's your car. If you can save a bit of money by fixing your own car, doing your own maintenance, then yeah. I've done quite a few cars over the years. I think I've got some pictures somewhere. Let's stick them up here so you can see some of the cars I've done in the past. So, without further ado, let's have a look at this particular car. As you can see, the pedestrian protection system has gone off, which blows the bonnet up and creates a gap between the top of the bonnet and the engine. A bit like an airbag, I suppose the thing. You know, it's an aluminium body, so it gives a little bit. This will bend the hinges and destroy the hinges as well. And I think this will also lose crash data in the SRS ECU, so we'll probably have to get that wiped as well. These seats are cloth. I don't think they're supposed to be in this model. I think they're supposed to be leather. I think this has got the Bose sound system, so it's supposed to have speakers in the seats as well. I think these seats have been swapped post accident. These seat warm buttons here, they don't do anything at the moment. So yeah, there's also a bunch of plugs underneath the seat which you can't really see with the camera at the moment, but they're not plugged into anything and there's nothing to plug them into. So these clearly aren't the seats that are supposed to be in the car. I think there's supposed to be a spoiler on this boot, a little lip spoiler is supposed to be on this boot. I know a lot of MX5s don't have this lip spoiler, but I think it is supposed to be on here. Well, let me tell you why. This Mazda Sport splitter, these Mazda Sport side skirts, and this Mazda Sport rear diffuser, if that's what you want to call it. The only bit missing is the lip spoiler. I think it's gone the same way, it's the seats. Empty boxes from new bodies, genuine Mazda and a genuine Mazda wing. And there we go. It's beginning to look like an MX5 again. So yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. There's the new horn that I had to get as well. Horn was broken. Oh, that headlight cost a fortune. I was fortunate enough to find a good second-hand bumper. I've flatted the wing and the bonnet there, ready for when it goes to the paint shop. That wing was straightforward to change, just a few bolts. Let me show you where they actually were. So there we go, there's one bolt. There's the second bolt, just there. We got a third bolt just there. And another bolt down the back of the door, two of them actually. Just there. And these electronic rams, just a couple of bolts there and there. Plug it in there, good to go. And obviously we replace the hinges. Wait, not that you can put the other hinges on and straighten them, it actually rip the rivets out. So they're designed to just break. As I suspected, we've got a light on the dash because of the bonnet rams went off, so we're going to have to get the crash data cleared. So yeah, underneath that, there, underneath there, there's a crash data ECU. Well, basically the airbag ECU, and also that's where it records them bonnet actuations for the protection system. So we're going to have to get that out, get that sent off, and get the crash data wiped. Just there. Okay, I had to unclip some of the centre console to get the rest of this out and get to the SRS unit. It's fairly straightforward, just a few clips and a couple of electrical connectors, as easy as getting the back out. But here's the module. I bought a new lip spoiler for the boot from the USA because it was a lot cheaper than getting it from the UK, strangely enough, and it comes with some instructions. So let's have a quick look at all these bit of paperwork I had to use to fit this. Let's take a look at what's almost the finished car. And no more bonnet protection activation light. We're good to go.
man. Took my mother-in-law to the airport.
Okay, so even though the car is now running, it's now fixed, there's something not quite right about it. Some of you may have noticed watching this video that there's something not quite right about this car. Something that I didn't spot when I bought the car on the auction site. It wasn't communicated on the auction site, but I mean, we've got another video, what's wrong and how we're going to address it. If you have spotted it, let me know in the comments. You know, it'd be nice to know if other people have. So anyway, till the next video where we'll sort that out, and yeah, we'll see you then.